and that's why I never traded the news. LKCO investors, that's why I never traded the news again when we have this massive sell-off, when we have the good news, a big gap, then a sell-off. As I show you here in this video, at the 7th of May, we did this video pre-market, and I told you we don't want to see a closing candle below our resistance level here at the $1.68, around this level, $1.63. And now what's the price will be at Monday? Where are we gonna go? Are we gonna see a big buying pressure at our support or not? Everything will be answered in this video, so check the like button, like the and come subscribe to my channel, and always hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future updates. So let's get right to it without further ado, without delay. As always tell you here at my channel, always no BS and straight to the information. So let's get right to it. So after the good news that we have for LKCO, we have this good gap, but we saw a big sell-off around the $1.79. This is a really bad indication because we didn't do higher highs as before, almost the $2, but we didn't see test even this price, but test for lower price around the $1.79. And I told you guys, if we don't hold this level, this is really important, the last day, trading day for LKCO, we don't hold above the $1.63, and that's what we did. We didn't hold. That's why we broke the level, and we went back even from the moment that we broke this level around the $1.50. So now this is important, guys. You have to bring your pen and paper and write those prices, because when you get emotional, you get frozen. You have to have the price that gives you a clear indication that you get out in order to buy lower. This is what we do here. Even if you're a long investor, just take a bit of profit, like when we got at our resistance here, or almost around the $2. As I always show you guys, below the $2, always take your profit, because this is a massive rejection always happen. So here, guys, this is really important. At this level around the $1.50, this is important level right now, is the support. The support is lowered, as I always show you at my channel. The key level, the support level, and the resistance level, and key prices always moving and changing, so we have to be flexible here. Now whenever we broke this level, I told you guys we're gonna trend down. Now we have a bit of hold up above the $1.50. So by Monday, if we just saw the $1.49, imagine just by 2 cents, this is psychological level. If we saw a closing candle below our support here, the technical, not the strong support, but more psychological support around the $1.50, and we have a closing candle around the $1.49, we're gonna see the price go lower really hard, and again we're gonna see the price test this technical level, the support, the strong support around the $1.30. This is really important, guys. So by next week, this is the technical area we have to watch out for LKCO. The price might go to $1.30, and there we're gonna see a gravitation and hold up about this level by next week. Only if, as I told you guys, only if we broke the support level around the $1.50 and we see a closing candle around the $1.40. This is important. I can try to make sure for you guys to understand this. The $1.49 is the psychological level. So if we don't bounce, if we bounce from here, would be good a moment to bounce from $1.50, and we see a bit of gap by Monday up to test again this level around the $1.63. This is now is the resistance level that we break, and we need to break it again in order to go higher and never go lower, because this is now we doing all right. The moment we broke from our ascending triangle flag. As you can see, the big triangle. We have the broke for this level around the 26th of April, and we catch this jump. And I told you there's a big explosion, and if you're lucky, you watch my video when we catch this explosion that happened. And now we've been trending up, but now we have the big sell-off after even the good news, and we need to see this play through, guys. This is really important for LKCO to trend higher. So there's some pattern to form, and this is one of the pattern that we want to see to form here. Now we have a bit of test around this level, and this will play through by Monday. This is really important. So is this kind of ascending line is not good, because as I can see when I draw it, it doesn't respect our level, because we have a bit of anomaly and this big selling pressure. The best thing is to respect is around the $1.30 as we draw before, and we don't need to see the price go below the $1.30, and we want to see a bounce at least for $1.30 in order to never visit again below the $1. This is really important to hold this level around the $1.30 to bounce from it. The best case scenario is to bounce from $1.50 to go higher by the next week, because this sell-off is bad. But what's more bad if we just broke the $1.50? Now we want to have a bounce from it and test here and go higher from there. So what did we learn in this video? That never trade the news. Again, I try to repeat it. Never trade the news. And this is a good lesson, as you can see. A good news, boom, buy pressure and the gapped pre-market. Then when the market's open, boom, we bent down. And you asking yourself, why and how after the good news, and we have this scenario? Yes, that's how the market maker do. They just buy the rumor and sell the news, or they just buy cheaper and sell higher and sell more expensive to you. This is really bad. Never buy when the price go up, or buy during the news, because this is really volatile and is gambling. That's why I rely on my technical more. I see the news, okay, is more a catalyst to break from the resistance, but is still is not 100% to give you indication that the price will go up. Maybe will go up, then we see a big pressure, and this is you can control. Here we just show you guys the things that we can't control. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications and never miss any my future explosion and the right prices that we get rejected at. And without further ado, hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next video.